In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include Calendly links in your Gmail emails. If you're tired of back and forth messages trying to find a meeting time, adding your Calendly link to your emails is a simple way to let people pick a slot that works for both of you. Let's make this quick and clear so you can start using it right away. First, grab your shareable link from Calendly. Open Calendly and go to your event types, the meeting formats you've set up, like a quick intro call or a longer session. Choose the event you want people to book and look for the option to share it. Copy the standard link for that event. If you prefer more control, you can generate a one-off link or adjust settings before sharing, but the basic link is perfect for most situations. Remember, each event type has its own link, so choose the one that matches the kind of meeting you're offering. Now switch to Gmail and start a new email. Write your message as you normally would, and then invite the recipient to schedule time with you. A simple line works well, like, "You can pick a time that works for you here." You can paste the Calendly link directly, which is the fastest method. If you want it to look cleaner, highlight your sentence, click the insert link icon in the toolbar, and paste your Calendly URL there. On a keyboard, you can also use the shortcut Command K on Mac or Control K on Windows to add a hyperlink. Either way, the result is a clickable link that opens your scheduling page. If you send a lot of emails, consider adding your Calendly link to your Gmail signature so it appears automatically. Open Gmail settings, find the signature section, and add a short line like "Schedule with me," followed by a link phrase. Save your changes, and you're set. Before sending to clients, it's smart to test. Email yourself, click the link, and confirm it loads the right event, the correct time zone, and your availability. If you work across time zones, mention that Calendly adjusts automatically, which helps prevent confusion. If you use the Calendly browser extension, you can also insert a booking link or even embed a few available times directly into your email. That's optional, but it can boost responses when people prefer to choose right from the message. That's all there is to it. Copy your event link from Calendly, drop it into Gmail as a clean hyperlink or in your signature, and send with confidence. Your recipients pick a time, Calendly handles the scheduling, and your inbox stays calm.